I'm Kelsey Castronova, and this is my promotional Mixed Power advertising assignment for my business, a food truck called Grilled Speedy. So for the first advertisement, I have a website advertisement or like a banner ad, something that you can see when you go on a different website, and I'll advertise my website and the food truck itself. So the main purpose is that it promotes one of our main products and provides the restaurant's name so that people will know of it and know what we sell mostly. And it provides a link to a discount code on the website. So it provides like the name so you're interested, what we sell so you know what it's about, a discount code so you're even more interested, and then provides a link to the website that is another form of advertisement so you can get to the website and see more about the business. The next ad I have is a flyer, which is a direct mail ad. It promotes the food truck's grand opening, but then after the grand opening, it can be edited to promote the truck itself. So later, if I wanted to advertise the restaurant, I could easily edit it and say, just come down to Grilled Speedy, add some more information, and it'll be fine. It showcases the two most important products. So it has the burger and the grilled cheese in the background, and it provides detailed information like when the grand opening is, where we're located, the website, what sort of a little bit of what we sell. And it is kind of eye-catching, like it's yellow and red, and it promotes our products. And it would be like, it could be targeted to multiple people because it could be sent out locally, and it's in the mail. So people will look at it and get the information. The next is a newspaper review. Now it's not always possible to control the message that goes into the newspaper if it's a review. So this reviewer could have said, it's terrible, never go there. But like to advertise yourself, you do have to take a risk. And this risk would hopefully turn out well and promote how good the food is to a bigger audience. And it gives the readers an unbiased perspective, since it's not coming from like the restaurant owner or someone who's paid by like me and my food truck. It would be someone giving their unbiased perspective to say, go down to the restaurant, it's really good. And people could gain possibly more from that than they would from an advertisement that was made by my business. Next, I have a website, and it provides more detailed information about the food truck. It gives a sample of the menu and contact information for any questions. It's easily accessible because for things with like flyers, you could easily throw it away and not look at it. And you don't have to click on the banner ad, and you don't have to like buy a newspaper or a subscription. All you need is an internet access, and you could type in like burgers near me, and this might be able to pop up. And here is the website. So it just tells you a little bit about the food truck, some of our guarantees, a little bit of the menu, and hours and location. So it tells you more about it and just what you can expect. So the last one is a radio ad. So it reaches a new audience of people and easily spreads the word. It can highlight information. So it does give the website, and it gives some of what we sell and where we're located, and it can capture the attention of the customers and provide a sense of what it's going to be like. So if it's a really fun radio ad, you might be able to expect like a fun restaurant. Or if it's a serious radio ad, it's like a serious restaurant. And that just sort of provides more information for the consumers. And that is the end of the promotions that my business would run at first.